Okay, so first of all, I would like to ask some questions about like or dislike. Uh, Mohammed Kaif, am I right? So, Mohammed Kaif, will you tell me, do you like to study or not?
Well, sir, I love to study and I will study with my friends.
Remember, when we answer the question, we need to start. For example, well, to be frank, to be very honest, right? These are the sentences we should be, or some phrases we should be using at the beginning of sentence, right? So, well, to be frank, sir, yeah, I love to study in my free time, and Alhamdulillah, by the great God's grace, I have been studying for last 20 years or 15 years of my life. So you can use some sentences, some grammar like been, used to, right? Conjunctions, okay, in order to make it better. Do you like to play indoor games or PUBG, Free Fire, something like that? Do you like to play indoor games?
Well, to be very honest, sir, I love to play indoor games and I used to play indoor games, but nowadays I do not have time because I have more studies.
You can say, well, to be frank, in the past, sir, I used to play indoor games, but nowadays I don't have time at all. I'm extremely busy in my work. Do you like to ride a bike?
Well, to be very honest, sir, I love to ride a bike, but I am not I am underage because I don't have bike. But Alhamdulillah, inshallah, in future I will buy a bike and I will drive.
Oh, I will ride. Again, should I explain something? When we talk about riding a bike, how to start, you don't have to say always, well, to be very honest, well, to be very honest. Sometimes you can say, well, sir, uh, I'm a big fan of riding a bike. Having said that, I don't have money to purchase a bike right now. I cannot afford to purchase a bike now. Firstly. Second point, I am only 13 right now. So once I complete my, once I turned 18, I will ride a bike in the future. So to answer your question, I am a big fan of riding a bike.